Hey my loves, I hope you all are doing well. I am here with a quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I am making egg boil. It's high in protein and also affordable to make. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. First, I will start by melting 1 stick of butter. Next, I am adding 1 slice of onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. You can also add 1 teaspoon of ginger. I am adding a teaspoon of honey, but you can also use brown sugar. I also added 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar. I will let this cook till most of the liquid has been evaporated. Adjust the seasoning, make sure everything is tasting good. The eggs are done and ready to go. You can have the eggs by itself or with rice, pasta, and veggies. You can make this on a weeknight when you want to eat something good but just don't have the time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.